Today we're making shrimp with Nduja. Nduja is a Calabrian, spicy, umami, not hot, spreadable salami. It is absolutely delicious. If you've never had it, it's totally unique. Here's the packaging of the brand I picked up. So we're going to saute some garlic. We're going to throw in some Nduja, about 2 tablespoons. Again, it's umami, not spicy. I cook that all down. You see I'm going to add some plum tomatoes. I want the thickness. And then I'm going to thin it out with some passata. Season with salt and pepper, some basil. In go the shrimp. They're going to cook another 10-15 minutes till the shrimp are done. I'm going to toss it in some pre-cooked pasta and serve and enjoy. It was delicious. Trust me. Cheers.